In this video, we will look at the question number 5 of the November 2020 paper. So as we can see here, we are given a logo that is stored as a bitmap image, and each box can represent 3 colors. That means in this image, total 3 colors are there: white, gray and black. So in order to represent the 3 colors in a bitmap image, how many bits are required? We will require 2 raised to power 2, that will give us 4. That means to represent 3 colors we require at least 2 bits, because 2 bits will give us 4 combinations. One of the combination will be left unused and 3 combinations will be used for the 3 colors that we have in the image. So minimum 2 bits are required. Now in this particular image, this each square, it represents 1 pixel. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pixels in the width, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pixels in the height. So how many pixels do we have in the total image? 15 by 6 pixels are there. Now first of all, the question is, what is a resolution? We can say that resolution is the number of pixels per inch. That is the most primary definition of a resolution. Number of pixels per inch. That is the definition of a resolution. Now let us look at the second part of the question. It is asking us to calculate the fewest number of bits that could be used to store the logo as the bitmap image. Now as we have already seen, this total pixels in the image is 15 multiplied by 6, that is equal to 90, and then total bits required for each pixel is 2 raised to the power of 2. That is 2 bits are required. So that will give us 4 combinations. So now for each pixel we require 2 bits, and there are total number of 90 pixels. So we have total size of file is 90 multiplied by 2, which is going to give us 180 bits are required to store this image in the computer system using bitmap. In the next part, C part, it is asking how we can reduce the size of the image. Now in order to reduce the file size, we can reduce number of pixels, or we can reduce the resolution. Then we can reduce the number of colors. We can use lossy compression, and we can make use of lossless compression. So these are the 4 ways in which we can reduce the file size. Now let us look at the next part. In the next part, they are asking us what is meant by the metadata. Metadata is data about data, and it is used for understanding our given data in a better manner. Now one example of a metadata in this logo picture is, we can store the resolution, we can store the number of colors, we can store the height of the image, then width of the image, and we can store the geolocation, that is geotagging information. Then we can store the date and time of creation of the image, and such information can be stored regarding the image. So that is what we have in this question. In the next video, we will discuss the question number 6.